welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I make programming tutorial and tech queries. If you like my videos, please do subscribe. It encourages me to make more videos like this. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about list in Python. What is list? Think of list as a store where you can store various kinds of data. You can keep integer, floating numbers, string items in a list. In Python, we say list is a data type. More specifically, list is a compound data type. That means we can store various data types in a list. So, what did I mean by a compound data type? Very simple. It means you can store integer, floating numbers, string items together in a list. Let's create a list. As you can see, it's a floating numbers list. I stored only floating numbers in this list. As you can see, creating list is very simple. What you have to do is keep your items inside bracket and differ them by commas. Look at this one. It consists of only integer numbers. Let's have a look at a list where I stored different data types. As you can see, I stored integer, floating numbers and string items in the above list. You can also make an empty list. It is consist of nothing. So this is how you can create list. Thank you so much for watching my video.